Towards the end of the spiritual exercises, St. Ignatius talks about a beautiful contemplation called contemplation to obtain love. In other words, a contemplation how to learn to love like God. Within the framework of two important points, namely, love ought to manifest itself more in deeds than in words. And when there is love, there should be a mutual communication and then sacrifice and sharing among the partners. Ignatius talks about this reflection. First and foremost, he says, everything is a gift from God for me. I am made in the image and likeness of God. Looking around, I find everybody, everyone, everywhere is a gift for me. Therefore, my response to this abundant love of God is, Lord, I am very grateful to you. As my response, I surrender everything to you. Only your love, your grace is enough for me. Secondly, Ignatius talks about the fact that God dwells in all the creatures, and he also works, labors like a mother for the family, for the children. That means God is working 24 into 7. Finally, he says, everything is a gift from God. It's true that we have not brought anything and we are not going to take anything away from this world. Therefore, as we prepare ourselves, let us realize and learn to love like God. As Mother Teresa says, if you believe, you pray. If you pray, you love. If you love, you serve. May God bless you.